This is the Peak Design motorcycle bar mount. I'm going to tell you why it's undoubtedly the best way to mount your phone to your motorcycle handlebars. And I should know, because I designed it and I am picky. So we've actually got a few motorcycle mounts, including one for sport bike stem nuts and an adapter for third-party ball mounts. This video is about our motorcycle bar mount, and here's what makes it so great. First off, the SlimLink connection system. It's instant, ridiculously strong, and secure enough for on and off-road biking. Attach and remove your phone with just one hand. The case it works with is gorgeous, rugged, and surprisingly slim. Plus, it even works with MagSafe. Second, it's bulletproof construction. Solid machined and anodized aluminum construction with stainless steel hardware. Third, its versatility. It works with a wide range of handlebar sizes. The positioning arm puts your phone right where you want it, or you can remove the arm for a super low profile setup. Fourth, best-in-class vibration damping. Phones are fragile, and motorcycle engine vibrations can damage them. Peak Design motorcycle mounts have a built-in vibration isolator, and we know it works because we tested the snot out of it, both in the lab and with the help of 80 beta testers in 12 countries with a wide variety of bikes across 135,000 combined miles of on and off-road terrain. With a Peak Design mount, your phone will be safe. And finally, it's part of the Peak Design mobile ecosystem. It's cross-compatible with a whole family of mounts and accessories we make for commuting, biking, home, photography, and more. It's also guaranteed for life and 100% carbon neutral.
All right, here's how you set it up. First, remove the clamp screw and loosen the screws on the bottom of the pivoting arm and mount head to allow everything to move freely. Then, pick a location on your handlebars to install the bar clamp. Determine which of the included sizing collars are the right fit for your handlebars in this area. We make collars to support the following sizes. If we don't support your handlebar size, you might need to use one of our other motorcycle mounts. While the arm and the mount head are still loose, rotate them to find your optimal mounting position. The arm and the mount head lock into 24 discrete positions, allowing you to position the mount perfectly. When you found the ideal position, tighten the bar clamp onto your handlebars. Then, reach underneath and tighten the screws securing the arm and the mount head from below.
Vroom, vroom.
It sounds like pro.
If your access to these screws is difficult or blocked, just hold the arm and mount head in place, remove the entire mount from the handlebars, and tighten the arm and mount head screws while it's off the bike. Then, put it back on your handlebars and tighten down the clamp screw, which is easily accessible from the top. Now that the mount is all tightened up, mounting your phone is as easy as this. To remove your phone, press one of the two release buttons and pull it away.
And that's that. As always, if you have any questions, visit our support center or email info@peakdesign.com. Happy riding.